So DIY how to change your rear view mirror, side mirror cover for Volkswagen Jetta. This is how it is. So let's see how they have actually. It looks good. Looks alright. Can't see the color. It doesn't look black to me. Oh, sheesh! It is black. So someone did a hit and run on me, and I thought let's try something cheap before I replace the whole mirror assembly. Okay, and I think I got the wrong one. Wait. Right, so I've ordered two. I don't really need to, but yep. So this is the one. Let's go. There's no scratch or anything. Look how good this is. It's all right. Okay, let's see if it fits. Ah. So, oh, this, okay. Yeah, it does. I got the right one. Okay, so this goes like this. It's clearly I was stupid enough to not get it. So this goes like this. Right. Let's try this again. Yep. So this goes in. Okay. Obviously. Let's see if this fits. It looks bigger than. Yep. Doesn't fit. Acha, okay. So this is already out. Okay, I think now it'll fit. The bracket's broken. Oh, so this thing, the whole damn thing is broken. Okay. Again, like this. Okay, yeah. Does fit. Ta-da! Alright, for 20 odd bucks, I think it's alright. Does the job. And I've got a spare one that I can change. Hopefully, no one figures it out. If I can swap this for. Okay, yep, this is not coming off. Anyways, I've got a spare one, guys. So DIY how to change your rear view mirror, side mirror cover for Volkswagen Jetta. Alas.